Hello everyone, this is Sectional from Insulated. Welcome to China DESEO Group Company. The company was founded in 2008.
DESEO Group is specialized in high-speed door, sectional door, dock shutter.
Our company building area is around 5,000 square meters. It has a highly efficient design, manufacturing, and sales of high-quality team.
First, we are going to visit our PVC cutting area.
In this working area, the worker will cut and weld the curtain.
Now we can see the worker is making the curtain flat and no wrinkles. Now we can see these are our high-speed PVC door guide track finished products. On my right side is our laser cutting machine. Now we can see here is our bending machine.
In this process area, the workers make cover box with the bending machine.
Here is our high-speed spiral door guide track. Here are our high-speed spiral door guide track finished products. Here is the process of high-speed spiral door panel assembly. Now we are in the spring winding workshop. These are our spring finished products. On my left side is our foaming machine.
We produce guide track, side track, and strength profile to sectional door in this area.
And these are our 7-inch panel finished products.
These are our sectional door hardware export packages. Next, we are going to see some of our samples. With opening speeds of up to 1.3 per second, the DESEO vial door increased productivity while reducing energy loss. High-speed spiral door is made of aluminum insulated panel, we most widely used in warehouse and factory.
DESEO.com, make global trade easier.